Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RRTS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out with levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above the 50-cent mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 50 cents, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that mark, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 50 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward right now. On several occasions today, the price got right up around that 54-cent mark and could never quite push through it and stay up above it. So that'll certainly be public enemy number one going into next week, just out of curiosity. So if the price can actually push up through 54 cents, then the next key level after that, right up there around, now that makes it easy, 55. So 54 and 55, next couple areas of resistance going into next week. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice movement today. So now it's just a matter of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.